I read a small ad in the paper urging people to send Yiddish books to a special address, a place being called the National Book Center, Yiddish Book Center. It made me think of famous writers whose books stand proudly on my shelves. They have been standing there so long, infused with lofty thoughts. For many, many years, I selected and I collected, read these Yiddish books, reread them, sharpening my memory. But it's quite a long time now. Those books have not been opened. It's time to let others be delighted by these famous literary names. But as I think those thoughts, my heart and soul start grieving. These are my last remnants, my treasures. To whom can I leave them? I sit down and begin to read, swallowing the songs and stories, and I'm overwhelmed with the healing of my soul. Then the parting becomes easier. I'm ready to pass my books to a new generation who will be tied to Yiddish to weave the continuity of our culture.